Hello and welcome back to Charcoal Pencil with Angelique. In this one I'm going to be doing the brown bear, which is part of North America brown bear. It's a very large bear. It's native to Eurasia and North America. It's one of the largest carnivorous bears. Closest relative is the polar bear. And I've seen a documentary where polar bears and the brown bear are mixing, where they're breeding together, and they create a really unique animal. But on average, the male bear is larger than the female, which is a sexual dimorphic species, and the color range of the bear can be a cream to a reddish or dark brown. It has a large hump, very muscular. Unique among the bears, its paws are 21 centimeters, 8.3 inches wide by 36 centimeters, 14 inches long. Like massive paws they have. It's effective to use to dig through dirt. Its teeth are similar to those of other bears that are reflected directly in their species line. Now, in this drawing, what I'm doing is, I know my paper is a gray paper, but I wanted to show you guys how to do, because if you don't have gray paper, you could always use charcoal, right, to color your paper gray. So that's what I did here. And what I'm doing is I'm erasing, like I first drew the bear with a light pencil, and then I'm just erasing the areas where the bear is, where I'm going to be drawing and contouring and adding charcoal to the bear later. So this bear is sleeping, which I thought was an adorable photo that I found, is sleeping on a log. And so I'm using an eraser and a gum eraser. And I don't know if you noticed that when I was getting the charcoal, I used a nail filer to file the charcoal pencil, and I used a tissue paper to rub it all over the place. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll get back to you at the end. So just to let you know, we're getting close to the end of the video, and I just want to let you know how I did the background. I just went with an eraser. I cut a piece off my eraser and I was using it on its side to create the grass, and then I would go over with the tissue again, not adding any extra filed down charcoal. I just went with what I had on my tissue to rub it down to create the perspective, because as things go further away they get lighter and you can't hardly see them. So that's what I did with that. And then I did add, I used my white charcoal to emphasize the bear a little bit more and the bark. I wanted to emphasize the foreground a little bit with the white charcoal to make it pop out. Of course you can see on the side there's like a tree that I used an eraser with, and I just left it like that. Like I used an eraser on its side and just created the leaves of the tree. I really did enjoy this bear. He was so cute, just lying there sleeping. His eyes are open. He's just lying there on the bark relaxing, like after probably he ate a muscat or something like that, because they do eat mooses and all that kind of stuff. These bears are pretty large. They do even eat insects from what I heard, so they're probably more scavenger or whatever they can find they'll eat. Anyways, I did use for the music, I try to use like a lazy music, classical style laziness to emphasize the bear being lazy. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the music and my commentary, and what you think of the drawing as well. And please try it yourself. It's not that hard. It'll take about an hour and a half to do. Just sit down, put on YouTube on something, and just go ahead and draw. I will see you in the next one, and happy drawing.